Hi, this is Pat Iyer, and coming up next, you'll have an opportunity to hear from an experienced legal nurse consultant who has rebuilt her business in several cities in the United States as a result of moving to different areas with her military husband. Pam Di Gennaro is a person who started as a paralegal and then went to nursing school. So she understood the legal parts of our business before she understood the nursing parts of being a legal nurse consultant. Pam, can you tell our viewer or our listener what were some of the major topics that we talked about during your podcast?
All right. Well, of course, thank you so much, Pat, for having me. I'm enjoying it very much. What we talked about was included letting attorneys know when they don't have a good case and being able to say that from a position of strength using the 4 elements of tort law, medical malpractice law. We also discussed how to reinvent yourself every time you get moved to a new location, or because in my case, I had an Army husband who moved me every 3 years, but how to establish yourself as a member of the business community where you live, so that people see you as a business leader as well as a legal nurse consultant. And then we're also going to be discussing MDLs, the multi-district litigation, the mass tort, what we sometimes call the report mills, why they can be a good first step for newer LNCs, but then eventually you want to take that experience that you get, stick it on your resume, and move on to the good stuff.
All right. Thank you, Pamela. You'll have an opportunity to find Pamela's podcast at Legal Nurse Podcast. Be sure to leave a comment or a like if you're watching this on the YouTube channel, YouTube at Legal Nurse Business, and we love to hear your feedback. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Pat. Bye-bye now.